Hey everybody, Mr. Quick here. Welcome to Eureka Math / Engaged New York Math, Module 4, Lesson 4, the relationship of division and subtraction. We've been talking a lot about, relationships over the last few lessons. We previously have talked about the relationship between addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, and then more recently we talked about multiplication and addition because we talked about how multiplication is repeated addition. Well, similarly, division can be looked at as repeated subtraction. So I'm going to show you an example of how that might look. First, I want to start with a number, and I want to start with that number being 20. And to represent that, I'm going to do a tape diagram showing 20 equally sized squares. Looks a little something like this. Now, if I asked you to divide this 20 into 4 equal sections, we're looking at 20 divided by 4. You could then break that apart into 4 equal sections, right? So you'd have something that looks like this. You'll have to excuse my art. It's not the most beautiful art, but hey, it works, right? And so you see that I've broken this 20 up here into 4 equal sized sections, and that in each section there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are all equally sized and they equal 5. So we end up with 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Fairly simple, and the tape diagram, which I don't use tape diagrams a lot in my life, but one thing it does really help with is to give us a visual model, and I love visual models. So we have 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Now, I'm going to show you something different and show you kind of how that relates to subtraction. That's division. But how does that relate to subtraction? And we're going to use the same tape diagram, but this time we're going to do a little bit of erasing here. So instead of 20 divided by 4, I'm going to do 20 and I'm going to take away 4. So I'm not going to write anything, I'm actually going to take away 4. I'll do my best not to mess that up too much. Okay, took away 4, so I have 16 left. I'm going to take away 4 again. Right here, I'm going to count them. So we have 12 left. I'm going to take away another set of 4. Okay, we're down to 8. Take away another set of 4. And we're down to having only 4 left. And if I take away that set of 4, then we are officially down to 0. So 20 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 equals 0. Now, how many 4s do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20, and if you repeatedly take away 4, and you take away 4 5 times, you're taking away 20, because obviously 5 times 4 equals 20. So now you've actually, you can see how many times that 4 goes into 20 because we've done it, right? 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. 5 4s gives us 0 because that's all of the 20. So your answer would be it goes into it 5 times. Okay, let's take a look at a different example and see how this relates. Let's say we want to do 12 divided by x, we don't know what number that's going to be yet, equals 4. I'm going to take 12 and I'm going to take away 4, and I know that gives me 8. Minus 4 I know gives me 4, and then minus 4 gives me 0. So I've taken away 4 how many times? 1, 2, 3. So x equals 3. We can check that. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Does that work? It sure does. And is in fact a math problem that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4. I just noticed that. That's kind of cool. We can also look at that with a tape diagram. Give me one that's 12 equal pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, if we divide that into 4 equal pieces, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we count how many are in each one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Obviously, our answer still remains that x equals 3. If we have, let's say, 18 divided by x equals 3, I can take 18 minus 3 is 15, minus 3 is 12, minus 3 is 9, minus 3 is 6, minus 3 is 3, minus 3 equals 0. How many 3's did I just take away, right? How many times does 3 go into 18? Well, how many 3's did I take away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X equals 6. Let's check it. 6 times 3 equals 18. That's right. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. That's right. So we're in business. So again, big key takeaway here is that division is repeated subtraction, just like multiplication is repeated addition, right? They're the inverse of one another. So we'll look at some more examples of this together in class. I know it's a pretty quick video today. It's a pretty quick concept to look at, but it becomes an important one, especially as we go down the road or down the line. So thank you for watching. We'll talk more face-to-face. See you next time.